Welcome to Bosch training here at IFA 2015 in Berlin.
I'm Annette Pressman.
And I'm Ilka Lokowski. We're delighted. The customer promise of Bosch domestic appliances, the easy way to perfect results, is also demonstrated by this year's innovations.
Let's start immediately with the cooktops. A wonderfully reduced design, which, as soon as you switch it on, unfolds its full functionality. Direct Select Premium, which is meanwhile very easy and intuitive to work with. You select the cooking zone and then the heat level you want from the 17 available levels. In addition to the 4 familiar induction coils in the Flex induction zone, there is now also a fifth. This will be automatically activated as soon as you place a larger pan on the cooktop, which will give you even more flexibility. You need to rearrange your pans on the cooktop. Simply slide the pan and, lo and behold, the setting travels along. Just confirm and you won't need to reset anything. One novelty in Flex Induction is the Move mode. If you have selected Move mode, the induction zone will be automatically split into 3 different heat zones. Simply sliding the pan will do. At the front you have strong heat for searing or parboiling. In the middle you have medium heat for stewing and simmering. And at the back there is gentle heat for keeping warm.
The standard in the market is that cooktops only regulate the power, that is the flow of energy, and not the temperature. This calls for permanent supervision and readjustment. Easier, safer and more relaxed is cooking and frying with temperature monitoring. The familiar frying sensor for this has been further developed and is now called PerfectFry sensor. Instead of 4, it now offers 5 frying levels. Levels 1 and 2 for when you use butter and olive oil. Levels 3 and 4 for classic frying, fish, vegetables and cutlets. And level 5 for steaks and fried potatoes. This makes it very easy to find the right setting for every application and, which is new, now across the entire Flex induction zone. In parallel to this, the Perfect Cook sensor stands for safe and relaxed cooking, and this also with precise temperature monitoring. But how does the whole thing work? A small dishwasher-proof ring is attached to the pan and holds the Perfect Cook sensor in place magnetically. This sends information to the cooktop by Bluetooth, leaving you free to place the pan wherever you wish. Simply press it to activate the sensor, and then go to the operating menu to select what you want to do. You can either reheat the food, stew, or boil it in a pan or pressure cooker. Or you can even deep fry it. Just like with a PerfectFry sensor, you will be given the visual and acoustic signal as soon as the desired temperature is reached. The Perfect Cook sensor will now be monitoring the temperature precisely throughout the entire cooking time. If you're impressed by the operation of the ovens in Series 8, you will also be impressed by the new matching TFT touch display at the cooktops. You switch on the cooktop at the main switch, select the desired cooking zone and the matching heat level. Or you can use the PerfectFry sensor, activate it, and select your frying level. If you're not sure which frying level you need for a breaded fish, for example, you can go to the Assist function. Just like with the ovens, select breaded fish, and the right frying level will be immediately shown to you and activated.
Modern kitchens are mostly open, stylishly designed and distinguished by smooth rectilinear surfaces. To go with this trend, telescopics are now also available in new, perfectly built-in solutions with 100% performance. As you can see, there's nothing to see at first. This changes once you push it gently and the hood appears. This is enabled by a lowering device that gently drives the hood down. This design you're already familiar with. It perfectly matches the direct select display of the cooktops. At its heart, we have installed the silent and super efficient Eco-Silence drive motor. But let's take a look behind the scenes, because there is something truly new to be discovered here. Behind the stainless steel facing, you'll find the clean air module for recirculation mode. The benefits, so far only available in chimney hoods, are now also newly provided in the telescopics. The odour reduction by up to 95%, markedly less running noise than with conventional activated carbon filters, and a longer service life. The cartridge helps when the filter needs changing.
You love freshness? If you want even more vitamins, you'd need to pick the cherries right from the tree. Or you can use the new no-frost fridge freezers from Bosch with VitaFresh. The secret of freshness is the optimal temperature and humidity, which are exactly the two factors you can adjust with the VitaFresh appliances from Series 4. The refrigerators in Series 6 with VitaFresh Plus will keep things fresh and preserve vitamins even longer because the humidity can be adjusted even better. And absolute maximum freshness is provided by appliances from Series 8 with VitaFresh Pro. Constant temperature adjustment down to the degree centigrade and optimal humidity will keep your food fresh and preserve its vitamins for an extra long time. The freshness adjustment is provided by means of a practical dial, either for fruit and vegetables, or only for vegetables. Also new is the LED spot. It ensures great interior lighting and will even illuminate the VitaFresh drawer at the bottom. But now spot on for our beautiful exterior design and new operating display. Simple operation is also ensured here by the selection of various modes, such as, for example, Eco Mode or Holiday Mode, which will adjust the temperature automatically. I'll select the Freshness mode now, for example, and the VitaFresh compartment will be set to 0 degrees centigrade automatically, and the cooling department to 2 degrees. 70 centimeters width and even more depth, namely 80 centimeters, brings 50% more net capacity. That's what I call XXL volume.
Dishes come in a huge variety of materials these days: porcelain, metal, glass and plastic. Plastic is the greatest challenge for dishwashers, where the drying is concerned. Many users complain that these dishes always come out of the dishwasher wet, and that they need to dry them by hand. No matter what material your dishes are made from, you will always get a perfect drying result, even with plastic dishes, which will save you time and housework. But how is it achieved? Firstly, because the new compact inner container will keep the warm and damp air in contact with the zeolite for longer. This will boost the binding of moisture by around 15%. And secondly, by the newly designed cover, ensuring that the drying air is evenly distributed three-dimensionally throughout the entire inner container. Thanks to the markedly stronger, but simultaneously also gentle airflow, your dishes will be perfectly, but gently dried. Thirdly, the optimized air channel will also ensure an even airflow. With the new insulation materials and additional insulation, the running noise is meanwhile reduced by up to 2 decibel. These are exactly the advantages: the reduced noise and zeolite drying, which the new 45-centimeter dishwashers will also provide you with. In general, the 45-centimeter dishwashers will also equal the 60-centimeter variants where the facilities are concerned. The new premium basket system, VarioFlex Pro, will provide a safe space for even more dishes. A real space miracle. The modern Super 60 program guarantees powerful cleaning and drying. The economical energy efficiency class A++ in the label program will meanwhile leave more money in your wallet.
Would you swap your washing machine for a pillow? The new Series 4 washing machines will be the quietest in their class. The special night wash program, the anti-vibration sidewalls and silent efficient eco-silence drive will let you sleep in peace while perfectly caring for your laundry. But what exactly distinguishes perfect laundry care? Our favorite garments are meant to keep their shape, structure and colors, and that with the greatest possible hygiene. To ensure this, you will either need a special hygiene detergent or high washing temperatures, which many a garment just won't survive. The new unique option, Active Oxygen, enables hygienically clean laundry at the touch of a button. And that without additional chemicals, even at low temperatures. Which is good for your laundry and also for the environment. Bosch achieves this by means of Active Oxygen. Just take a look how simple it is. You select the program, the Active Oxygen option, and start the machine. Before the last rinse, the machine will produce active oxygen and guide it through your laundry. The program will now take about 30 minutes longer, but you will really benefit too. The bacteria will be eliminated to up to 99.99%. And there is another advantage. Active Oxygen Refresh, also for non-washable textiles. Here the active oxygen is applied to the textiles in a mist and destroys the odor molecules. This is good for garments which have been worn but are still clean and will save many a trip to the dry cleaners. The laundry smells as neutrally fresh as the air after a summer storm. The easy way to perfect results for Bosch also means making everyday life easier in general. The Home Connect app will make it even easier for you to get to know, operate and monitor your Wi-Fi-capable appliances, no matter where you are. Last year we introduced networkable dishwashers and ovens. Now the range of Home Connect-capable domestic appliances is being expanded by a washing machine, a dryer, a built-in and freestanding fridge-freezer, and a fully automatic built-in coffee machine.
Now, all the home appliances are united in one app. From the convenience of your sofa, this enables you to access all the basic functions, such as, for example, the digital manual, tips and tricks for your new appliance, or you can very easily browse through the online shop. Also new are further functions such as Easy Start. For example, you describe your laundry item to your app, and it will immediately suggest the right program to you. Or you can inform yourself about the proper storage for your food. The app will help you stock the fridge and give you advice on the right storage location and temperature. But now it's time for a good cup of coffee, which you can individually create in your app. And better make some for your family and friends at the same time. You will no longer need to remember all their individual preferences, because you can immediately save them to the playlist. Or why not surprise your guest with a coffee speciality for a change? A greater range than in the display of the coffee machine is available right here in the app. At the same time, it can provide you with more coffee know-how, coffee recipes, and even a shopping list for the ingredients.
With a shopping list in my smartphone, why not dash down to the supermarket now? Oh, I'm just getting a push message that the dishwasher taps are running out. Guess I'll just pick them up as well.
Most test winners come from Bosch, and we have the most popular customer service for large electrical appliances in 2015.
Plus, we have the most creative design team, which has this year been honored with the Red Dot Design Team of the Year award for its continuous top performance.
The easy way to perfect results.
This is what makes Bosch the #1.